Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can insert a signature to your PDF documents in the Drawboard PDF editor. So let us get started. So navigate to the page of your document inside the PDF editor on Drawboard. I will go with this blank page here. So there are several ways how you can insert a signature. For example, if you want, you can draw one with your hand using this tool here. Choose the pen tool. Yeah, and draw your signature, for example, right? So if you have a good handwriting, you can do this. Or guys, as you can see, my handwriting is not the best. So there's also the option to insert a signature. For example, if you have saved your signature as a JPEG or PNG file format on your device, right? So you can do that as well. Clicking to insert here in the top right, and then choose a signature, right? And then position your signature. And then guys, you will see this or these options, right? So you can, for example, you can use the font per sign. You will see your account name here as the default signature, but you can draw one, for example, too. Click into this button and then, yeah, you will be redirected to the draw tool again. So let me this time sign it like this, for example. You can also give it a title, save the signature here, or let me undo this. You can undo this, so switch to font text here and you will see this option. So you can switch to, you can type in your signature name here and then, for example, use different fonts, right, like that. And you can also go with that QR code. However guys, if I choose this option by clicking to save signature here, I will be given the opportunity to use it. You can remove it by clicking into these three dots here or add more of these signatures, and then position it here on your document. There's also another option, guys. You can, for example, use the image feature here, right? And navigate to your signature saved on your device in JPEG or PNG file format. So click into this option, position your image placeholder, and then navigate to your file. So I will go with that channel logo for the sake of this tutorial. Let's assume that's your signature, right? Saved in JPEG file format, position it here, resize it. Yeah, and use it as a signature, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh wait, I can also show you how to, if that's possible, how to change the opacity. For example, if you click into your signature and click into edit here, you will see the signature properties. So if you move that slider to the left to, let's say, 33% opacity, your signature won't be will be barely visible, right? So it's pretty transparent. So that's also how you can approach these signatures here on Drawboard. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.